Hair fall is one of the nightmares nobody wants to go through. It makes you tense and reduces your confidence. If you are going through this problem, then we are providing you with 10 simple things you should start doing from today. These simple habits will definitely reduce your hair fall, and it may also promote new hair growth. Number 1. Massage your scalp. Head massage stimulates the blood circulation in your scalp, which in turn brings more oxygen and nutrients in your scalp, resulting in healthier and stronger hair follicles. Coconut oil and castor oil mixture are best for this. Number 2. Use wooden wide teeth comb. A wide teeth comb is less damaging on your hair. It has a massaging effect on your scalp, and it doesn't pull your hair while combing. It will greatly reduce your hair damage while combing. Number 3. Don't tie up your hair tightly. Too many twists of the elastic can exert too much pressure, which in the long run can break your hair. Worse, it can exert pulling pressure on the hair follicles that may lead to premature hair fall. Number 4. Use herb-infused oils. Herb-infused oils have been a go-to remedy for hair issues for ages. Rosemary, chamomile, lavender, and nettle are some good choices for improving scalp health and hair growth. Number 5. Avoid overstress. Being chronically overstressed is not good. Stress causes hair follicle degeneration, which results in accelerated hair fall. Practice mindfulness and try doing some light exercise or yoga to reduce your stress. Number 6. Eat flax seeds. Flax seeds are full of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for new hair growth. It reduces the dryness and flakiness of the scalp and makes your hair stronger and flexible. Make sure to add 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed in your smoothies, salads, pasta, or bread. Number 7. Use mild or natural hair products. Stay away from harsh hair products. Try choosing a sulfate-free shampoo and additive-free pure hair oils for your use. Avoid chemical-laden conditioners. Number 8. Eat high-protein diet. Protein is the building block of your hair. Make sure you are taking a good amount of protein every day. If you are vegetarian, make sure to include pulses, legumes, milk, and dairy products in your diet. Number 9. Eat more fruits and vegetables. Vitamin A, C, D, E, and B vitamins are some of the most important vitamins for hair growth and maintenance. In the same manner, iron, zinc, and magnesium are also important. You can get these vitamins and minerals by including a variety of fruits and vegetables in your daily diet. Number 10. Use Indian gooseberry. Indian gooseberry has 10 times more vitamin C than an orange. Take a fresh gooseberry and squeeze out its juice into a bowl. Apply it directly onto your scalp and massage with your fingertips gently. Let it sit for an hour, then wash off with a mild herbal shampoo. Regular application of this hair tonic will nourish your scalp. If you find this video useful, please press the like button and share it with your friends. To watch more videos like this, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.
If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.